Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to log transactions in Zoho Books. Alright, first off, log into your Zoho Books account, and as you can see here, we can just easily lock all transactions or lock individual transactions. Now, I'm just going to show you right here to be able to go to that specific page. Go ahead over to Accountant. Now click on Transaction Locking. Okay, and here you have the option to lock individual transactions. Okay, it could be sales or sales and purchases or sales, purchases and banking, or all. But first up, click on Configure right here and make sure to select one of these options. Okay, if you enable this option right here, you can go ahead and lock one or all of these transactions, even if you have a negative stock. Okay, if you select this option, it will restrict the transaction locking if you have a negative stock. Okay, just select one option, wait for it to load, and just click on lock right here. Give a reason, hit on lock. Okay, now if you want to lock all, switch to lock all transactions right here at the bottom right. Now just click on lock right here, give a reason, hit on lock, and you're good to go. Okay, now if you lock individual modules, you'll be able to select the modules, just like I would have said earlier, you wish to lock. Okay, if you want that option, just go back, click on lock individual modules right here. Lock 3 if you want, lock 2, or lock 1. There you have it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.